This is how you know you live a bush or too close to the ocean. Oh, no, sir. I walking out and here was this crab with him audacity. Cock up in the living room at that. When you find a crab living in your house, this is what you do. Alright, so you put the water to boil, you drop in your garlic, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, pimento, get it go. That going. Now I'm giving this crab a fair chance, you know. Because if him leave before the water boil, he will live. But if I catch him before, him is dead meat. It's been a while since I catch a crab. I'm so out of tune with this. Somebody need to take me to a crab bush.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
I'm getting you today. You picked the wrong house. You did not. Angel live here. Okay, buddy. Okay. If you bite me, I'll bite your back. Don't worry. I got something for you. You're not escaping. No way, I'm telling you. Not getting away, not breaking my glass today. No way you're escaping. All right. Don't worry. Oh, let me see you get out now. Sorry. This is how we boil crab in Jamaica. Yeah, man, we little crab ready. Yeah, when you see it start, yeah, you know it's ready. How are you? Alright, boiled crab ready for lunch. I have this crab. You picked the wrong house today. Oh yeah. This is how we eat a crab. And plenty pepper. Don't worry, hear them go at the outside or one of them next. Bite the knuckles off. Garlic. I don't know about you, but this was such an adventure, you know, just to find this crab. Yeah, I don't go crab hunting, but it reminds me of childhood days when we used to do this for fun. Alright, this was a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Walk good. God bless you. Mwah.